Here today I wanted to show you an unboxing of the Zhiyun Crane 3 Lab gimbal. This is their professional style gimbal for a digital SLR. So I went ahead and got the creator package. I just want to show you what's included. In a later video I'll show you how to set up the gimbal and how to operate it, but just quickly and briefly I wanted to show you what's included. So with the creator package we do have two transmount quick setups, and this is going to be one for the camera and one for the holder for your phone if you decide to use your phone as a display for your camera. We also have the quick release plate for the actual digital SLR. It also comes with a camera belt, the telescoping monopod, so you can do like high shots. It extends pretty far out, and it has the three little small legs here which you can use against your body to help you support the camera if you happen to have a heavier camera. And the last thing here we have are the focus and zoom controllers that you set up with the gimbal. So that's everything that's included in the box. That's the box it comes in right there. And then we also have the box for the actual Crane 3 Lab. So now on to the actual gimbal. The gimbal comes in this styrofoam box. The box is pretty soft, so if you were to drop it, it should provide some good protection there. And then it does have two locking sliders here, so it stays in place. So inside we have the monopod here, which is going to screw on the bottom of the gimbal. We also have the 3 batteries for the gimbal here. I believe you can charge these on the actual gimbal if you just wanted to connect them via micro USB, I believe. Or you can take them out and charge them on the dock here. Also included we have this little carrying case, and in this carrying case you have all the cables that are going to connect to your gimbal or your camera. If you want to do the video transmission, we have another cable here. So various cables to hook up to various cameras. And then lastly, oh, not lastly, but here's the gimbal. Like I said, I'll make another video on the actual usage and how to set it up and all the features of this gimbal here. But I just wanted to show you an unboxing of how it came packaged. And how it's secured in its box. And then lastly here we have the plate which connects on the gimbal, and your camera rests right here. So like I said, I will make a couple of other videos on how to set it up, how to balance it, and some of the features of the actual gimbal. But for right now, it's just a quick unboxing of the Crane 3 Lab.